295 species in genus Gaultheria. April 13th. Gaultheria, Gaultheria, the wintergreen, represents April 13th. Gaultheria symbolizes resilience and healing. Like this hardy evergreen, you thrive in the most challenging conditions, offering comfort and strength to others. Your presence is refreshing, like the plant's aromatic leaves, and you have a natural ability to soothe and uplift those around you. A deep dive into Gaultheria, my personal exploration of a diverse genus. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always fascinated by the sheer diversity of the botanical world. One genus that has particularly captured my attention is Gaultheria, a group of shrubs belonging to the Ericaceae family. This diverse genus boasts over 283 species, each with its unique characteristics and charm. In this article, Ferbu, will delve into the world of Gaultheria, exploring its origins, characteristics, and some of its most notable species. Origins and distribution. Gaultheria is named after Jean-François Gaultier, an 18th-century Canadian physician and botanist. The genus has a wide distribution, with species found in Asia, Australasia, and North and South America. These plants typically thrive in acidic soils, often inhabiting mountainous regions and woodlands. Distinctive characteristics of Gaultheria. Gaultheria species are generally evergreen shrubs, meaning they retain their leaves throughout the year. They are often characterized by their simple, leathery leaves and small, bell-shaped flowers, which can be white, pink, or red. One of the most appealing features of Gaultheria is their fruits. These are typically fleshy berries or capsules, and they come in a variety of colors, including red, white, blue, and black. The fruits of some species, like Gaultheria procumbens, eastern teaberry, are edible and have a distinctive minty flavor. Gaultheria species. The genus Gaultheria encompasses a vast array of species, each with its own unique attributes. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My personal experiences with Gaultheria. I first encountered Gaultheria while hiking in the Appalachian Mountains. The vibrant red berries of Gaultheria procumbens caught my eye, and I was immediately intrigued by their unique minty aroma. Since then, I've been fascinated by this genus and have cultivated several species in my own garden. I particularly enjoy the wintergreen scent of Gaultheria procumbens, which adds a refreshing touch to my garden, especially during the colder months. The importance of Gaultheria. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Gaultheria species have played significant roles in various cultures. Some species have been traditionally used for medicinal purposes, while others have served as food sources. For example, the leaves of Gaultheria procumbens have been used to treat aches, pains, and fevers, while the berries of Gaultheria shallon have been a traditional food source for indigenous peoples of the Pacific Northwest. Conservation efforts. While many Gaultheria species are relatively common, some are facing threats due to habitat loss and overharvesting. It's crucial to support conservation efforts to protect these valuable plants and ensure their continued existence for future generations. Conclusion. Gaultheria is a captivating genus that offers a wealth of diversity and beauty. From the aromatic eastern teaberry to the vibrant prickly heath, each species has its own unique characteristics and charm. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, exploring the world of Gaultheria is a rewarding experience. I hope this article has provided you with a deeper understanding and appreciation for this remarkable genus. As I continue my own exploration of Gaultheria, I'm constantly amazed by its diversity and resilience. I encourage you to seek out these plants in your local gardens, parks, or natural areas and discover their beauty for yourself.